This place is like pretty much known for the authentic Punjabi veg food. What is this, Boris?
My expectations.
Look at the amount of butter they are putting in each like individual fulka. What is the best ending for a Punjabi meal? What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and again today an exciting day, a great afternoon which is quite sunny. We're gonna explore a new restaurant and not sure with the name. It looks like a local eatery, so let's catch up with my friend and from there let's go over there. See you on the road, guys. And this is my friend Boris. So Boris, you have suggested this place, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you've been a regular customer here.
Not regular, occasional.
Occasional.
to be.
This place is like pretty much known for the authentic Punjabi veg food. So, what's the name?
It's Bobby's Dabba.
Bobby's Dabba. Nice name. So, I just ordered a couple of dishes across. So, once it comes, I'll show you guys what and all we have ordered. Pretty much a typical Punjabi vegetarian food, and let's see if it keeps up to Boris' expectation.
My expectations.
So here is our dal makhani. This is shahi paneer, right?
Yes.
Shahi paneer, and comes the melting butter with aloo parathas. Let the feast begin. This particular bite with aloo paratha and dal makhani. So let me just check this out. The dal is actually proper creamiest, as usual, like a typical Punjabi. And this place is like pretty much filled with that energy of Punjabis, right? Totally.
Everyone is Punjabi.
Yeah. Everyone becomes a Punjabi. The aloo paratha, there's a good amount of butter, but I felt that the paratha is little thin on size though. Usually a typical Punjabi paratha will be bigger on size. Damn big it is. So other than that, rest everything is amazing. So let me pitch in with the dal and aloo paratha for now, then let me try with another dish. I just ordered a couple. Currently we have jeera rice which has come here, which Boris is already finished off. What is this, Boris? Chicken is the best part. The butter. Boris feels overloaded with butter. Do you? No, it's it. Bring it on, bring it on.
I can take some more.
Here I am trying out jeera rice with shahi paneer. I mean, it's one of a typical regular combination. So let me see how it tastes. Again, a typical Punjabi feel. The paneer is actually creamy. I think they make in-house paneer generally Punjabis do that, and the gravy is also as usual little thick, but not a kind of a cashew based gravy. Jeera rice as usual, the typical jeera rice. So but with both curry as well as with the rice, it's a good combination though. Look at the amount of butter they are putting in each like individual fulka. So all you need to do is dig right in, grab the gravy and bite. What is the best ending for a Punjabi meal? That is either a lassi or a buttermilk. So here I'm with a medium glass of lassi to finish it off, and this is something which cools down your entire appetite. And let me just dig right in. Oh, well, the froth is something that you would come across. And it tastes very good. It's been like a little more on the spicier end. I just told them to make it a little spicy. That is how basic buttermilk would taste like. But this is absolutely good. I think I would recommend one of you guys to come to this place. This is somewhere near Nagasandra towards Pina side. So anyone wants to make a visit, please do come over here. So this is the restaurant, and if you see, this is like an outside space which is pretty much easy to sit around. And this is the kitchen section. So all the magic happens over here. And Paji, thanks for amazing food. Thank you so much. बहुत खुश हो आप? ऐसा ही रहना है. Thank you so much, भैया. Thanks, भैया. So this was it for the food vlog, and pretty much hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you around for the next time. And signing off from myself and Boris over here. See you everyone.